Steve, here's the cash for the Ford GT rental. Bad day.
Yeah. All right, here you go, Brooks.
All right, so we got 977 wheel horsepower Hellcat. How'd you get on? Big blower, built motor, you name it, all the goods. Okay, nitrous too? Did it nitrous? No, I'm just kidding. No nitrous. Now it's gonna have to have nitrous after that. So we got McLaren stock versus big horsepower Hellcat. So here we go. Let's check out the motor. I don't know what I'm looking at, so I'm just gonna. What size is that? Whipple 2.7?
4.5 liter blower.
Whoa, 4.5.
Yeah, thank you.
Now the Demon only has a 2.7?
2.7.
Wow, that thing's huge.
Yes, sir. Ready? Let's get her done. Yep.
Mickey Thompson slicks on the back.
He always wanted one of
What a run.
It was a tight race.
That was enjoyable.
Yeah,
that was as close as you can get right there.
Actually, had the V-Box in the Hellcat, so actually pull 60 to 130 numbers. We did like a 50 to 150 roll. Is that what you hit?
Sounds about right.
Yeah, down the back straight. Super close.
Yeah, man.
Wow. We can do a dig too, but it might be a different race. Good run.
Good run.
All right, so there you go. You saw it. We got 977 of the wheels in the Hellcat with a bunch of mods. I'll list them out later. We got the stock McLaren 720S neck and neck. I think the McLaren had it by just a tiny bit. He's going back for more mods and to come back. We'll see what he comes back with. All right, so first off, I want to apologize for the crappy audio we had at the beginning, kind of going over the Hellcat. I don't know what happened, microphone problems, whatever, but after reviewing the footage and putting this video together with the race, wow, that Hellcat ran really, really well. I was actually pretty surprised. A lot of times I see these high horsepower Hellcats and they just don't run that good. So I was pretty confident in the race, and wow, you know, actually when looking into the footage, at the very end, it looked like he was starting to pull up a little bit. It would have been awesome to run those two cars out to another 20 miles an hour, maybe 180 miles an hour. He was starting to pull up maybe a little bit, but again, the aero of the 720 is going to start to take over. So, I mean, maybe we can get another run. We can go half mile or something like that and really get these cars out there. He also wants to run the quarter mile as well. I wouldn't mind getting the 720S versus that Hellcat in the quarter mile and see what happens. He had some really sticky tires in the back, so he'd probably take it, but I'm willing to give it a try anyways. On other news with the Ford GT, you know, we had a little ECU problem with check engine light, and the car's now fixed. I took it out and did some short bursts, and that issue was resolved. So we're trying to put together a track day. We're hoping the ZR1 will come back out. We could do Ford GT versus ZR1, bring the old GT out, the Huracan, and the 720S. And whatever our other cars want to come out and race the Ford, we're getting ready to put that together. So a lot of people are saying, oh, you're not going to bring out the Ford. Trust me, I'm bringing out the Ford. You're going to see it racing. Even though it's nasty, nasty hot out here, I'm not going to expect any amazing quarter mile times, but nevertheless, side-by-side racing, we're going to get that done. And what do you do with the GT when you can't race it? Well, we did a music video, so I'm going to play some footage here. Franz on Instagram buzzed me and wanted to put together, or is he looking for some cool cars to do a music video? And I was in the area and I stopped by, so these are some behind the scenes of the music video. When it comes out, I'll throw a link up on Instagram and you can check out the whole thing. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm going to roll some preview some upcoming races we got, and hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified when those races roll. All right, so I just pulled up. This is my buddy Steve's house. This is Franz. What's up, buddy?
Hey,
what's up, man?
Good,
he invited me out with the GT to do part of his music video. So he's with Attila, but this is a side project.
We're called Bone Crew. It's coming out this July. We got an EP coming out. It's trap metal. So if you're a fan of rap, any rap really, and you like metal too, this is for you.
All right, so we're setting up. We got a couple more cars come out. We got his BMW i8. He's got an Huracan as well. We got the Ford GT. I think we got an Aventador coming and a McLaren. So I'll just do a little behind the scenes kind of watching of creating a music video, and then I don't know, 6 weeks or 2 months, we'll see what comes out, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. All right,
yeah.
Thanks, buddy. Here's the cash for the Ford GT rental. Bad day.
Yeah. All right, here you go, Brooks. Thank you, bro.
Here we go.
Appreciate it, dude.
This nigga with the rap and all these fucking haters acting back it up. We bought that ass and money trucks, back it up.
So I lied a little bit. It looks better when you were up here.
So there you go. It's a wrap with the Ford GT and the music video. We got Jay and Franz. Thanks for having me out. It was a great time hanging out with you guys. Checking out behind the scenes, what it takes to make.
Beautiful.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it. It was really cool to hang out with you guys and see behind the scenes making of a music video.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing this thing drop in what? A few weeks? Months?
It's gonna drop sometime in July.
Okay.
The group is called Bone Crew. The song is called Back It Up, and it's trap metal, rapper metal. Sick.
Yeah, it's like a breakthrough video or music genre. I hope you guys, I think you guys do well with it. So
thank you so much,
you guys.
Thanks for coming out,
and looking forward to seeing it come out. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, man.
Peace.